My name is Keith Tompkins. I teach 8th grade U.S. History at Apollo STEAM Academy. Go Panthers! I've taught 7th grade, which is Texas history, and I'm currently teaching 8th grade, which is U.S. history. And with both contents, my favorite topics to cover would be the revolutionary time periods, like in the Texas Revolution, Davy Crockett, William Travis, Jim Bowie, Sam Houston. In the American Revolution, you got George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Alexander Hamilton, the individuals that helped shape where we're at. I want them to really learn and understand and have an appreciation for our country, for our past, and to gain skills that help make them better citizens as they grow up. I don't really like multiple choice questions. I like to have my kids sitting there thinking and writing every single day. History does repeat itself, and it's a pattern that we see throughout time periods. What's going on right now in 50 years and 100 years will be history. So taking what they learned in the past and seeing how it applies now, and then seeing how it could apply in the future. I also enjoy teaching about government, the function, the structure, being able to teach them the Bill of Rights so that what they're seeing is not just legal language, this is how it's used in real life.
On the advice of counsel, I invoke my Fifth Amendment privilege against self-incrimination and respectfully decline to answer your question.
I really enjoy teaching the First Amendment because it just shows the freedom that we have. And then we look at other countries where, speaking out against the government is not only illegal, but you will be prosecuted for it. When we talk about the First Amendment, the right to petition, right to protest, I like to tell my kiddos, think about here at Apollo, if we all as a class just run to Miss Gaither and start yelling and shouting, will she take us seriously? Will she listen to us? No. Instead of 30 students running to Miss Gaither, let's elect 2 students to represent us like we do in our government, and they can speak on our behalf. Having a petition, getting the support, being civil about it is how things get done. I actually had a former student email me a petition going around about yonder pouches, that they wanted to get rid of them, so let's start a petition. Do I agree with that? No. But are they practicing their rights in having a petition, petitioning the forces above? Yeah, I'm not going to support that, but it is their right to do. We are literally developing the people who are going to take over once we're gone. The value that we have as teachers, it's tremendous, it's extraordinary. And I hope that I help give them skills here in my classroom that they can take on and use with the rest of their lives, whether it's critical thinking, being able to analyze opinions, forming their own opinions and their own ideas, and to develop a skill set where they become better people.